Dopest rhymes ever wrote. Y'all know what it is.
Ology Boys Music.
Shout out to Ag Money, Cutlass, Coy Keys. Hey Drew, what's up, man?
Yeah, I'm wicked. How could niggas had a nerve to say that they the sickest, but these niggas never heard you. Like dealers on the curb, you know I will serve you. And my boots be Gucci, man. I'm sicker than the bird flu, that fly shit. Yeah, this be that pilot rap. Found out I know how to rap, and now I don't know how to act. Like Ray Allen, gon' show me where them dollars at. Cause he got game and spittin' flame, bitch. Holla back, I got him, Jack. Yeah, it's gon' be trouble like I'm Dollar Bill. A lot of skill, ain't got a deal. But we poppin' collars still, I probably will hit your hoe. Ask who got the sickest flow. And niggas know they pleadin' more fifths than a liquor store. So here we go, I'm finna blow. But I'm still the same guy. When you flow, them niggas know. It's like watching rain dry. On the low, they hatin' though and saying that I can't fly. Bitch, why can't I? Motherfucker ain't I the hottest nigga on the low. But I can't explain why. Why you niggas still broke? I guess that you can blame I. Cause I never listened when they told me that I can't fly. Bitch, why can't I? Why can't I? Motherfucker ain't I the same guy who started like an artist and he drew the shit. Flow retarded, don't be modest, girl, you know that drew the shit. Stupid sick when Drew was spit, it's smoother than a hookah hit. Units I be moving, bitch, yeah that nigga ludicrous. Stupid rich, yeah that's what I'm finna be. And if you ain't a friend of kin to me, then you my enemy. Yeah, they gon' remember me like Titans ain't from Tennessee. Alphabet simply, 8V they fantasy. Fantasy that nigga D go live his life without a fear. Till I'm rockin' Prada gear. Nigga, I'm outta here. Ha.
Nigga, my team is official.
Ology Boys Music.
We gets it in.
Goddamn motherfucking shit. What's going on? It's your boy Drew, man. Bird flu video shoot. We on top of the roof, on top of the world like a motherfucking boss, you know what I'm saying? Never what it costs like I was born to flouse.
That man is insane. Insane, I tell you.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, well shit, bitch. We still here, goddamn. Motherfucking hustling flow. Go get it.